Hi, this is Dr. Will with another how-to video. This time I'm going to attempt to get these very old boat vinyl covers with a lot of damage. I'll show you that. The zips will come apart, the foam is coming through, and I'm going to get them into a lovely white gloss finish. I've done a lot of research. It's really expensive to reupholster the whole thing. I did look into getting some new material and some plywood, but I decided that was a bit of a faff. So I think the easiest option is to get some very strong tape, which we've got, a very strong vinyl tape here, and I've got this special plastic spray paint. So I'm going to give that a go, and it's a low cost option. Let's just see if it works. First of all, first job is to wash it all down, get the surface really clean, get any roughness off. There's a bit of old paint on here, so that will need to be sanded down. So let's get that sorted, and then I'll be with you for the next step. Okay, so this is the cushion that we've repaired. As you can see, we used a fishing line and a hook, and we sewed it together, and then I've added some of this special vinyl tape onto the top. Gives it a nice, and I'm going to be painting this colour anyway. So now I just need to spray the whole thing again. It needs one tack coat and then probably 3 coats on each side, and then job done. So you really can do it. You really can do it on a budget. Right, that's that one done. Now, as I say, I did a lot of research, and the main thing I took away was that as long as you can paint plastic, then vinyl comes on plastic, so that will be fine. So we'll soon find out. We're now ready to spray these cushions. There's a lot of noise going on in the background. However, so I've given them a good wash. I've sanded down where there's a bit of paint on them before. I don't quite know how it's going to turn out. They said the first layer should be a tack layer. Not too much paint, just keep it nice and simple, and then we'll just see how that goes. Certainly much less chemically than the last paint I used. I'm actually quite happy with that. It's a nice gloss finish. I need to leave that to dry for about 20 minutes, half an hour, and then I'll put the next coat on. And now it's time for coat 2. So far I think that's working pretty well. Now it's time to leave that for another hour or 2 and see if I need to top up anymore. And now it's time for the third coat. It's looking pretty cool so far. Right, that's the top 3 coats done. Now I need to do underneath. It's looking really good. It's a lovely soft feel to it. Seems to be staying on well, so now I need to do the top one. Time to let that dry now. There's our brand new cushion in situ. I think it looks great. Give it a whole new look. Super clean and lovely.